What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing today, man? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video. If you have not already, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I am so grateful you guys are here right now. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And today, we're hopping right into the video. If you're somebody that is looking to start to resell, you're trying to get products, you're trying to get a wholesale distributor, I'm telling you right now, go visit my site, hustlerbuys.com. That website is geared towards giving you products on a wholesale rate. All you have to do is sign up for an account and you guys will get wholesale pricing. Now, our drones, all of our products, matter of fact, are all on our website, especially the drone that I'm about to go over right now, the D73. You can get this drone for an affordable price. And guess what? This drone can also be your personal drone, or you can sell it. You can resell these, you can buy these wholesale, or you can buy them just one at a time. I want you guys to start hopping into different industries to make money work for you. I hope you guys are ready. So let's dig into the video. All right, so you can get this drone as low as $33 each if you buy wholesale, okay? So I'm going to be unboxing this drone for the first time online. I'm gonna tell you something, y'all. I have never had a drone just sitting in any of my stores. I've never had a drone where I couldn't sell it. Every single time I posted a drone, I'm not lying to you guys, it's always sold. Like, drones are really easy to sell. Okay, they're really easy. Now, one thing I will say is you don't want to try and get the most expensive drones. I'm telling you, people will fly and buy any type of drone because it's a drone, okay? Now, I got the first piece out, but hold up. It's another piece in here, but it's like stuck on something. Hold on. Stuck on something. Should I take it out the other way? Jesus Christ. It's like stuck on a handle. So this is what we gonna do. For time's sake, this is what we gonna do. We ain't even gonna trip. We ain't gonna trip. Go ahead, we're gonna cut that right there. Alright. And we're gonna go out, bring it out the other way. Okay. Dang. Alright. Well packaged, okay? So, first you have the drone here. Alright, so here's the drone right here, okay? Now, when it comes to this drone, it feels very durable, and that was one of the things that I liked with this, is I wanted it to feel durable. That was one of the biggest things, because drones, they crash, and when you crash the drone, you don't want to be one take Jake, okay? You don't want to just crash it and never be able to use it again. This feels nice and sturdy, and let's see what's in this box. So inside this box is going to actually be your controller, okay? So you got your controller. And then you got a whole bunch of different guards for the drone. Now, if you want to see me assemble the drone, I will be doing that in another video, but I choose not to do that currently right now because that's going to take a while. And I do, ooh, a camera. So here's the HD camera. Okay, here's the HD camera that you can get with it. I do want to do it, but I also want to make sure that I do it and to be able to fly it, okay? So I need to make sure that when I do this video, I'm going to be able to actually go into an open field and fly it with you guys. This is exactly how the controller looks, okay? So the controller, if you can see, it has a whole bunch of different directional buttons that I believe you can actually choose if you want the drone to go a certain type of way. And don't get me to lying, I don't know nothing when it comes to like the tricks and tips on how to do this stuff, but I do know for a fact that this has a retrieve mode where you can retrieve the drone back. It also has a mode where you can actually have it, I think, hover above you. So it's a whole bunch of different modes on this drone that are really, really cool. And honestly, guys, you have to be ready to really up your game when it comes to reselling when you start to get into these type of avenues, because these modes and these avenues are going to bring you money, but it's just all about you being prepared to scale the business, because you can't expect somebody to just want to buy a drone from you and you not promote and be a part of your brand. You gotta have a brand, y'all. Like I always tell y'all, stop trying to just do business as an individual. Do business as a business. Do business the right way. Don't try to skip and hop and jump and leap around real business, okay? Do business right. Register your business and make your business work for you, all right? Do not get stuck not making your business work for you, but instead trying to be a regular entity instead of getting your LLC. And I keep telling people that, get your LLC, because once you start getting into drones, you start selling a whole bunch of them. Think about AirPods on steroids. I'm telling y'all, during the holidays, I'm telling you right now, during the holidays, that's when it gets real, all right? That's exactly when it gets real. So I can't wait. I know you guys can't wait. And I'm going to continue to show you guys different features and different ways that you guys can actually propel yourselves to being able to sell things like this. Next up, we have the Fierce drone, okay? This is a DIY drone. I like this drone, and I picked this drone out because you're going to be able to actually use this as one activity, whether it's with a little one or with your significant other, whoever. You can use this with an activity, and this is something that's more, it seems to be more intricate and more advanced when it comes to a transaction. So like making this an activity seems to be way more beneficial than it would be for the D73. Because the D73, all you got to do is put the guards on and then start it up. That's all you got to do. Put the batteries in, put the guards on. But this one, as y'all see, it looks like you can actually get intimate with somebody and sit. I don't even like that word, intimate. You can actually just have a nice sitting with somebody or your child or whatever and put the drone together. And I might actually do that. So when you open it up, guys, it opens up like this, okay? It has the manual here. Well, 2 manuals. Oh, 3, 4, 5 manuals. And it's a thick manual, I'll tell you that. I'll tell you this is a thick one. Now, hold up. Because, see, yeah, you actually got to put this together. And that's going to take us some time, which I can't wait to actually do. That's pretty cool. So, we got to put this one together so it comes, it seems, with different parts. So here are the mechanical parts. So it looks like a battery, the propellers, things like that. This is a motor. A motor's in here. A motor is in here. Here's the drone. Okay, so the drone is here. And then this is, oh, this is the remote. Oh, this remote feel nice. Hold up. This is the remote. Let me see if I could take this out. This is the remote, and it feels really nice. What the? Oh, okay. So, yeah, it felt nice because it has these little plastic pieces or the foam pieces on it. But it's definitely, oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be nice for sure. So it has a retrieve button, has a high and low button. I can't wait to test this out and actually show you guys how we put it together. It seems as if this is going to be a fun activity for everybody, and I think that that's exactly what people need. Like, people need items like this. Like, this seems dope. It really does. So we're going to definitely dive into this. We're going to definitely do it, and I'm sure it's going to be a great experience. But it's like wanting to get items like this so that customers are not only just buying something from you, but they're realizing that, hey, this person provided me with an experience, and listen, they might need an experience for a game night or for some other type of activity. You want to know who they're going to hit up? They're going to hit you up, because they know for a fact that the products that you give them are products that are not just low quality. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for products that are going to create a journey for the customer, and we want that journey to ultimately lead back to us, okay? And we want them to be able to enjoy their product, of course, but also remember us, spread the word so that we can get money from word to mouth. A lot of people, they want to pay for promotions, pay for ads and things of that nature, but those are not organic. You can pay for ads all day. Ads are great, but here's the thing. One thing I learned is if you can't get sales organically, why pay for ads? Now, you might be like, well, duh, Brandon, that's the point. No, because it's like, if nobody that sees your product wants it already, what do you think putting it in front of more people is going to do? Just make them buy it? Yes, but are they buying it because they want the product or because you're doing something right with the brand? It's not about the product, and it's never about the product. It's always about your brand. And I'm telling you how to stick in there with it consistently and increase your longevity as a business. Forget the product. All of these products are here and they'll go one day. We always have to reinvent ourselves, find different products so that we can make sure that these products don't define us, but we define the product as a business. It is very important to make sure you define the product as a business. I can't stress that enough, guys. Without further ado, man, those are the drones that we have currently. Make sure you guys check them out at hustlersbuy.com. And I'll see you guys on another video. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't know who I am, again, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.